is the most powerful resource that we have. It's a powerful tool that can be harnessed for various purposes. We always complain about the problems we face, but will never try to find the solution that is there within us. In this world, we are capable of dreaming anything, but we set our boundaries for our dreams. Like Paulo Coelho said, if we truly wish for something, the whole world will be with us. We are just a tiny dot in this massive universe which works based on vibrations and frequencies. And these vibrations are nothing but our thoughts, ideas, imaginations, emotions, and so on. For every vibration that is created in our body, there is an equal vibration in the universe. And our purpose is to match with those. Today, I'm going to speak on how we can make use of our mind to achieve our dreams and how the universe will help us. This is explained in the topic Law of Attraction and Manifestation. By the end of this, you will have an idea about the conscious mind, the subconscious mind, law of attraction, manifestation, paradigm, and quantum theory. Manifestation is something that has gained popularity in this time and is often related with the law of attraction. It's a hope and belief that one can bring their dreams and aspirations into existing reality with the help of the universe. It's a process of matching of frequencies and vibration, and that involves clarity of thoughts, ideas, visualization, and a proactive approach to achieving goals. So hearing this, you might wonder why we need to work hard to achieve our dreams. Let's just simply sit by manifesting it. No, then you are on the wrong track. Let's say, if you want to be physically fit, you might take a membership in the gym. If you want to be a swimmer, you might pay fees for that. But have you ever achieved those? No. What is important here is you taking part in it. In order to be physically fit, you need to do workouts. In order to be a swimmer, you need to practice swimming. In manifestation, the universe will give you the opportunity. What you need to do is take action and grab those opportunities. Many obstacles will come in its way, and those are the negative vibrations, and you need to get away from them. The most prominent factor here is to always have a positive mindset. And that's about manifestation. And now let's take a quick look at the law of attraction. It's very simple. When you throw something up, it comes down because of law of gravity. Law of attraction means attracting the things that we are focusing on in our lives. To put this in simple words, I would give you an example. There's a girl named Maya, and she's extremely good in her academics. And her dream was to get into a famous university, and she always worked hard for that. She used to live as if she has already got admission in that university, and used to think as she is working in the hostel of that university, and did many such things. When it was time for the admission process, she got into there easily. What happened here is that goal created a vibration in her, and imagine there is Maya in another universe who have already accomplished the dream. This vibration got matched to that and became an existing reality. So, without knowing, Maya has manifested her dream university, and because of law of attraction, her dream was accomplished. Consciously or subconsciously, you are manifesting all your thoughts. Understand it and learn it. Then you will achieve what you want in life. This is not at all simple. It is highly influenced by your paradigm. Now, what is paradigm? When you are born into this world, you are born with a subconscious mind which is like a half moon. All the thoughts and experiences that get registered on the subconscious mind later becomes your paradigm. That is, the childhood memory which you now remember at random are your paradigm. Some you remember and a lot you forget. Thus, paradigm means multitude of information. After a certain age, the conscious mind starts to develop and you start thinking. This all have influence on manifestation. That is, When you think of your goal consciously, it gets impressed upon the subconscious mind. The paradigm controls the vibration of your goal, and this controls the action that produces the result. For example, when a boy was a child, he fell into the river, and the paradigm of fear of water was developed in him. After a certain age, he completely forgot about that. His dream was to become a merchant navy officer. But thinking about the consequences, he could not achieve it. He started to question himself. Why can't I pursue something that I truly wishes for? The reason is that because of the negative vibration of the paradigm. How can this be changed? Through repetition. Through repetition of something, a new idea gets registered on our subconscious mind. This is the basic idea behind the sayings that in order to create a hobby, you need to do it 21 days continuously to get it registered in the subconscious mind. This is the total process of manifestation. In manifestation, what we are doing is changing our paradigm by registering a new idea into our subconscious mind through manifestation, and the law of attraction responds to this new paradigm and gives us the result. Humans are divine and are capable of achieving anything, but are not aware about their hidden abilities. When you are able to track those, you will be powerful and be amazed to know at how the universe will be there with you and how your life changes after that. We are not learning any subject, just learning our mind and ourselves. That's all needed in manifestation. Learning to control our mind the way we want helps to create a world the way we want. So, let's understand our mind and make use of manifestation wisely to achieve our dream. When you start believing in yourself, you become a positive vibration, and others will get attracted by you, and the world will become positive like you. When you start doing this, you will stop complaining about what you don't have and will be thankful and admire about what the universe gave you. So, I urge you to always think positive and make use of manifestation to create a brighter future for yourself and the world around you. Thank you.